Welcome to the chapter Quadratic Equations. Roots are not just unique to plants. Believe it or not, algebraic functions can also contain roots, although they are of a different nature. For a general quadratic equation, the roots are minus b by a and c by a. Based on this idea, we can analyze concepts such as square roots and taking even roots of negative numbers. By understanding these concepts, you can solve large number of problems involving algebraic. The nature of the discriminants is studied under three cases, which are explained further in detail.